Unlimited success. The power of an open mind. Discover how embracing the limitless possibilities can unlock doors to success you never thought possible. We'll share actionable tips and inspiring insights that will reshape your understanding of what success truly means. Number 1. Defining success. It's not simply a number on your paycheck or the size of your social media following. Instead, it's about crafting a life that resonates with your values, passions, and aspirations. True success involves personal growth, self-discovery, and an unwavering commitment to continuous improvement. By embracing an open mind, you can redefine success in your terms, breaking free from societal pressures and expectations. It's the journey, the pursuit, and the infinite possibilities that arise when you're open to exploring the uncharted territories of your potential. So ask yourself, what does success mean to you beyond conventional metrics? 2. Embracing change. Embracing change as a catalyst for growth is a fundamental principle in the path towards unlimited success. Change can be daunting, but it's also where transformation happens. When you open your mind to the idea that change is an opportunity rather than a threat, you unlock the door to personal and professional development. It encourages you to adapt, learn, and evolve. By understanding that change is a constant in life, you position yourself to thrive, rather than just survive, in an ever-shifting world. An open mind welcomes change as a chance to grow, and by doing so, you pave the way for your own path to unlimited success. 3. Cultivating curiosity. This is the key to unlocking expansive thinking. When you approach life with a curious mind, you open doors to innovation, insight, and personal growth. Curiosity fuels your desire to learn, adapt, and explore the uncharted territory of your potential. It encourages you to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and seek fresh perspectives. Embrace your inner curiosity, and watch as it propels you to think bigger, dream larger, and achieve beyond conventional limits. 4. Breaking free from self-imposed limitations. This is a critical aspect of unleashing your potential on the journey to unlimited success. Often, we are the architects of our own boundaries, held back by doubts, fears, and self-criticism. But an open mind is the tool to dismantle these mental constraints. It empowers you to challenge the limiting beliefs that hold you back, opening doors to new possibilities. By cultivating a mindset that embraces growth and resilience, you can transcend these limitations and redefine your success on your own terms. Your mind can either be a prison or a launch pad, and with an open mind, you have the key to unlock boundless success. 5. The art of creative problem solving. Creative problem solving is a skill that allows you to navigate the complex challenges on your journey. It encourages you to view obstacles as opportunities, think outside the box, and adapt to changing circumstances. When your mind is open to creative problem solving, you unlock the potential for innovative solutions, making the impossible seem achievable. So remember, creative problem solving isn't a mere skill, it's a mindset that can transform your path to success in ways you never imagined. 6. Learning from failure. Failure, often seen as a roadblock, can actually be a stepping stone to higher achievement. It's through this that we gain valuable insights and the ability to adapt. When you approach failure with an open mind, you transform it into a profound teacher. It teaches you to reevaluate, refine, and persist in your pursuits, ultimately propelling you forward. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's a catalyst for growth and a crucial element of your path to unparalleled success. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 7. Critical thinking. Pivotal in the pursuit of unlimited success through an open mind. It's the ability to analyze information objectively, evaluate different perspectives, and make well-informed decisions. In a world inundated with information, critical thinking helps you cut through the noise and discern what truly matters. It empowers you to question assumptions, challenge the status quo, and uncover innovative solutions. By nurturing your critical thinking skills, you enhance the capacity to adapt, solve problems, and seize opportunities in a rapidly changing landscape. So remember, critical thinking is the guide on your way to success, helping you navigate uncharted waters with confidence and clarity. 8. The power of diverse perspectives. When you invite diverse voices to the table, you gain access to a wealth of ideas and insights that can transform your choices. Recognizing that each individual brings a unique lens through which they see the world, fostering an environment that welcomes different viewpoints opens the door to innovation, creativity, and more well-rounded decisions. Embracing diversity in your decision-making process not only leads to more informed outcomes, but also reflects a commitment to inclusivity and a better understanding of the multifaceted world we live in. Harness the power of diverse perspectives as you make decisions on your path to success, and watch as your choices become enriched with wisdom and potential. 9. Adapting to a rapidly changing world. The world is evolving faster than ever, and those who can pivot, learn, and grow amidst uncertainty are the ones who thrive. An open mind is your most valuable asset in this process, as it allows you to embrace change rather than fear it. This empowers you to be agile, to reevaluate and reinvent, and to see opportunities where others see obstacles. By developing the skill of adaptability, you become the master of your destiny, navigating uncharted waters with confidence, and using change as a catalyst for growth. In an ever-changing world, it's not the strongest or the smartest who succeed, but those most open to change. 10. Open-minded leadership. When leaders adopt an open mind, they create a culture where fresh ideas are not only welcome but encouraged. It's about listening to diverse viewpoints, valuing out-of-the-box thinking, and nurturing an environment where team members feel empowered to express their creativity. Open-minded leaders understand that innovation often arises from unexpected places, and they lead by example, showing that vulnerability, adaptability, and a willingness to learn are key ingredients for transformational leadership. By embracing this approach, they guide their teams toward groundbreaking solutions and set the stage for unparalleled success. Open-minded leadership is a game-changer that can revolutionize the way you and your team approach challenges and opportunities. 11. Mindfulness. It's easy to become overwhelmed by the chaos and distractions that surround us. Mindfulness, the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment, offers a valuable anchor. It allows you to navigate challenges and opportunities with a calm, clear perspective. Self-awareness, on the other hand, is the foundation of understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and personal values. Recognizing how your thoughts and actions align with your goals. Together, mindfulness and self-awareness empower you to make intentional choices, align your actions with aspirations, and pave a path to unparalleled success. So remember, incorporating these practices into your life can enhance your path towards success, making it a conscious, purposeful, and rewarding adventure. 12. Overcoming cognitive biases. Overcoming cognitive biases in decision-making is a critical skill in the quest for unlimited success through an open mind. Our minds are wired with biases that can cloud judgment and hinder progress. Recognizing and addressing these biases allows us to make more rational, well-informed decisions. It's acknowledging that our judgments are often influenced by factors such as confirmation bias and anchoring. An open mind enables you to question these biases, consider alternative perspectives, and make choices driven by reason rather than preconceived notions. By conquering cognitive biases, you unlock the potential for more effective decision-making, paving the way for unparalleled success. Embracing a bias-aware mindset is the key to unlocking the doors of possibility. 13. The role of resilience. An open mind equips us to adapt and bounce back. It's the tenacity to keep moving forward and stay focused on long-term goals. Resilience allows us to not just survive in the face of adversity, but to thrive. It's harnessing inner strength and unwavering determination to overcome the toughest of trials. By cultivating resilience, we become more equipped to navigate the ever-changing landscape of wealth. Resilience is a skill, and an open mind is the vehicle to build and apply that skill on the path to unlimited success. In the world of aspirations, achievements, and the relentless pursuit of success, one thing becomes resoundingly clear: the power of an open mind knows no bounds. This is a reminder that success is not a one-size-fits-all destination, but a personal odyssey, an ever-evolving journey that calls for adaptability and an unwavering commitment to breaking free from self-imposed limitations. Success is not solely about wealth or fame, but the pursuit of a life that aligns with your values, passions, and dreams. The open mind, with its endless capacity to embrace change, learn from failures, and seek diverse perspectives, is the beacon guiding us toward our own unique versions of success. It encourages us to ask the right questions, navigate uncertainty, and continuously evolve. So, as you embark on your path to success, foster an open mind. Embrace the unknown, celebrate your resilience, and let the power of an open mind shine your way. Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformative insights on your journey to unlimited success. Let's continue to redefine what it means to succeed.